Hi little friends, I'm here in my chicken coop. I'm going to do another little farm video for you. This is Stella. She's my favorite chicken. She's a Polish chicken. That's why she has that big fluffy hair on top. And we have a whole lot of different breeds of chickens. Right now I'm going to show you a little bit about their chicken coop. So right here, I don't know if you can see me, this is their bedding. We change it out about 3 or 4 times a year, and it's sawdust from my husband's work, and we mix it with something called diatomaceous earth, which gives them a really nice healthy bedding that they like to dig around in and lay eggs in. And then over here we have our automatic waterer. It's kind of dirty right now, so they always have fresh water. Here's one of my chickens getting a drink. Hi ladies, there's our rooster. Hope you were able to see those guys. And then over here we have their feeder. Inside there's their feed, and it comes down and it comes into this tray. So that's where they like to eat. And then I'll show you over here. Oh, look what I just found. An egg. I'm going to hold on to that because we eat all of the eggs that we get from our chicken coop. And over here we're going to go in. This is the hen house. And we have a broody chicken, which means she is in here and she is sitting on her eggs because she wants to be a mama. She wants the eggs to hatch. She wants to have some little chicks. Over here, there's Stella. And if you see over here, we have several clutches of eggs. When you have a group of eggs all together, they're called a clutch. So right here is their roosting bar. Nighttime they like to roost, means they jump up here, they hold on with their claws, and they sleep here all night long. That's called roosting. So let's head back out. There goes the hens. All right, so that's our chickens. See you next time. Bye-bye.